हाय, हैप्पी संडे। आज 9th मार्च है तो कल 8th मार्च थी एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ल्ड वाइड सेलिब्रेशन ऑन इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे which is a must, and we must have these grandiose celebrations across. But पता है, if we really want to change the narrative around women, इन बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों के साथ ना हमें छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करनी पड़ेगी. What actually happens is that consciously, perhaps all of us are big proponents of Women's Day. नई इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए. बहुत सालों तक women ने inequality झेली है. अब now they must come to the fore, etc. But unconscious bias जो एक चीज़ होती है ना, वो हर एक इंसान में होती है. हर चीज़ में unconscious bias play up करती है. And that is when you and I and everybody else can actually take a conscious stand and display our spirit of equality for women. Now, I'll give you a couple of examples. Okay? So let's say there's a family of 4, husband, wife, both are working and there are 2 children, right? Now, by default, the responsibility of cleaning the house, making dinner, making lunch, making breakfast falls on the woman. Now, if that's not happening in your household, that's great. And of late, I've seen a lot of couples sharing responsibility. But अगर आपके घर में ये हो रहा है, so as a woman, please expect your husband, your partner, whoever it is, to have an equal responsibility in the household. And as the man, please express equal interest in running the household as the lady of the house is doing. और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ हम, it's not only about rights, it's also about duties of the women, but that we'll talk about in another episode. The second example that really comes to my mind is अगर आप ऑफिस में and there's a girl or a woman who's doing very well for herself, right? क्या आता है दिमाग में? अरे यार, इसका ना बॉस के साथ कुछ एक्स्ट्रा होगा. Maybe the boss really likes it. I mean, why is it that in today's day and age, when we see women doing well, working hard, we still believe that they are incapable and that they need someone else's support to actually do well? Now, these are small unconscious biases. जब आपके दिमाग में ये नेक्स्ट टाइम थॉट आए, इसको रोकिए. थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, कोई गाड़ी चला रहा है और कोई बहुत बुरी तरह गाड़ी चला रहा है. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट अरे यार लड़की होगी. अरे क्यों भाई, हो सकता है ना आदमी हो. There's a equal probability of a man being a terrible driver and a woman being a terrible driver. No one's proven anything about a woman being a terrible driver by itself. These are very small instances, small things, and every single time such a thing happens, there are people around us who participate. For example, उस घर वाले केस में आपके बच्चे देख रहे हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स देख रहे हैं, घर में जो आ रहे हैं वो देख रहे हैं. they are learning the same thing. ऑफिस वाले एग्जाम्पल में आपके जो कॉलीग्स हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, superiors हैं, they are also participating in this banter, and it's high time that we cut it. It's high time that we actually practice equality for the real spirit of equality. Be equal in every single thing. Be equal in your thoughts. Be equal in your actions. And that's really when Women's Day will be celebrated each day and not just on one day. ये ना मेरे दिल के बहुत ज़्यादा करीब है, इसलिए इतना पैशन आ रहा है. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम यू सी एन अनकॉन्शियस बायस, ऐसे बहुत सैकड़ों एग्जाम्पल्स हैं अनकॉन्शियस बायसेस के जो आप नोटिस करेंगे अगर आप एक्चुअली वो एफर्ट डालें. डू पुट इन दैट लिटिल एफर्ट टू रिकग्नाइज दैट अनकॉन्शियस बायस and fix it. I really hope you'll do that. All right, until the next time, bye. And my lessons from Baba series will be continued, but this Women's Day warranted a special episode. Okay, ta-ta. See you next time. Bye.